Hello viewers, now I'll add backlink in this website edocr.com. So watch the full video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You will get all the backlink list in my video description. So check my video description. To add backlink in this website, click on sign up. Then put your email address. Click on I am not a robot. Check this box. Then verify this. Click on verify. Click on create account. Wait for a second. They send a verification email. So check your email. You can see that they send a verification email. Click on it. Click on the link. Now your email is verified. Click on create a password. Now you need to create a password. Put a new password. Give a strong password. Confirm new password. Now click on save. Wait for a second. Now click on drop down button. Click on my profile. You can see that your profile. Now click on drop down button. Click on account settings. Now put your keyword or description here in the bio. Copy the keyword and paste it here. I want to add many backlinks, so I am copying 4 keywords. I will add 4 backlinks here. So I copied 4 keywords. Now copy the link. Select the keyword. Click on link. Paste your link. Click on OK. This way you can add backlink in this website. Do this for all the keywords. Same process. This way you can add many backlinks in this website. Select the keyword, click on link, paste the URL. This way you can add backlink in this website. I have added 4 backlinks in this website. Scroll down. You can also add Facebook link here. And your website link here. Paste the URL here. This is my Facebook URL. It also ranks your Facebook profile. I am also adding my linking profile. Now click on save. Now you can see that there is 4 backlink added. Click on read more. You can see that all the backlink is added here. And here is your website link, LinkedIn link, Facebook link. So I added total 7 backlink here. This way you can add backlink in this website. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. You will find backlink list in my video description, so check my video description.